Hello. Yesterday I gave you the exams back. If you haven't given it to me, you haven't corrected, you don't have it corrected, uh, give it to me on Monday and I will correct it. Ahir vaig repartir exàmens corregits. Si no l'heu fet i me'l voleu donar dilluns, jo vos el corregiré, d'acord? Then we did vocabulary, listening and reading, which is the same, and exercise, imperatives and exercises, um, and more exercises, which are a lot of exercises, and a game. So the vocabulary was feelings. So number 1, he is worried, preocupado, preocupado. Number 2, he's happy, feliz, contento, content. Number 3, he's thirsty, té sed, tiene sed, está sediento. Yeah. Number 4, he's hot. This is the sun. He's hot, tiene calor. Number 5, de calor. Number 5 is angry, enfadado, enfadado. Number 6 is hungry, tiene hambre, te gana. By the way, this is a fork, tenedor, and this is a knife, cuchillo. Yeah. Number 7, tired, cansado, cansado. Number 8, he is stressed, estresado, estresat. Number 9, he's cold, tiene frío. So the contrary, the opposite of hot is cold. Number 10, he's sad, está triste, and it's the opposite of happy, happy, sad. Number 11, he's bored, aburrido, avorrit. And number 12, he is frightened. Frightened is the same as scared. Tener miedo, tener po. So this is a reading. The reading is in this page, yeah. So we read this and we talked about how they're feeling here. Això és un reading, aquests són els dibuixos que acompanyen aquest reading, i el vàrem llegir, el vàrem escoltar, però és el mateix, i vàrem xerrar de què els hi passa a cada foto. So, in number 1, vos diu Lisa. Lisa is she's angry, yeah? She's angry. Why? She says, don't turn left, turn right. And they're arguing, están discutiendo, arguing. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yeah, she's angry, está enfadada. Number 2, John and Alfie. So John is him, and this is Alfie, the baby. So John is thirsty, and there's no water. And then Alfie is hungry. So John, in this one, John is thirsty, Alfie is hungry. Number 3, Lisa and John. So this is Lisa, this is John. Lisa is cold. I'm cold. Can you close the window? And he says, cold, it's hot. And she says, I'm cold. Alfie is cold. So she's cold, he's hot. Yeah, she's cold, he's hot. Lisa is cold, John is hot. And in number 4, Lisa and Alfie. Lisa says, I'm tired. Alfie's tired too. So she's tired, está cansada, and Alfie's also tired, también está cansada, he's tired too. Yeah? And then, looking at these sentences, turn right, don't turn left, don't drive fast, don't worry, be careful, look for a hotel. These are orders in English. Yeah? And we use the imperative. Imperative. Són ordres, manera de donar ordres en anglès amb imperatius, d'acord? I aquí els van copiar. Turn right, aquests són els del reading. Be careful, look for a hotel, don't turn left, don't drive fast, don't worry. I també tenim suggestions, sugerències, like let's stop, let's not stop, let's go. So let's stop, let's go, let's not stop. Què passa en imperatiu? Is how we give orders, yeah? How we give orders in English. So we use them to tell somebody how to do or not do something. Los utilizamos para decirle a alguien lo que hacer o lo que no hacer, algo que hacer o que no hacer, per fer una cosa o no fer-la. And we use, how do we make them? Com els fem? Verb and the infinitive. Open the door, turn right, yeah? Els verbs amb infinitiu. We don't use a subject, we don't use a pronoun, so we don't say you open the door. No s'utilitza subjecte ni pronom personal, sinó que només és verb. Open the door, turn right. Amb negatiu, don't i és verb. Don't worry, don't stop. Don't worry, don't stop. Amb el verb to be, doncs el deixem en be. Be quiet. Okay? Be quiet. I si volem ser més educats, si we want to be polite, we can say please. Be quiet, please. O sigui, sense el please sona més ordre, d'acord? Amb el please sona més educat. Be quiet, please. O també sona sense el please perquè estàs més enfadat, ok? Open the door. You, open the door, yeah? Open the door. And then suggestions, per fer suggerències, let's i un verb amb infinitiu, let's go, let's go. I en negatiu, let's not, i el verb let's not stop. Let's go o let's not stop. Bien. Van fer aquests. Aquest era fer ordres amb positiu o negatiu. It's hot, open the window. Hace calor, tengo calor, fa calor. Obre la finestra, abre la ventana. I'm very sorry, don't worry, it isn't a problem. Me sap molt de greu, no te preocupis, no és cap problema. Lo siento mucho, no te preocupes, no es un problema. Okay, this one, I'm bored. Estic avorrit, estoy aburrido. Read a book. Lee un libro. Yeah? ¿Me puedes dar una fotocopia, por favor? This is an English class. Please don't speak Spanish. Esta es una clase de inglés. Por favor, no hables español. O sea, es una clase de inglés. Por favor, no xerris español. I'm tired. It's late. Go to bed. És tard. Ves al llit. Ves a dormir. És tarde. Vete a dormir. Vete a la cama. Yeah? Is this program good? No, it isn't. Don't watch it. ¿Qué diu? És bo aquest programa. És bueno este programa de televisió, TV? No, it isn't. No, no ho és. No lo és. Don't watch it, no lo miris, no lo veas, no lo mires. I'm hungry, have a sandwich. Tómate un sándwich, agafa un sándwich. It's a dangerous street, yes, be careful. Es una calle peligrosa, sí, ten cuidado, sí, ves alerta, be careful. It's raining, take an umbrella. Plou, llueve, agafa un paraigua, coge un paraguas. It's dark, I'm frightened. Está oscuro, tengo miedo. Don't be frightened, I'm here with you. No tengas miedo, estoy aquí contigo. No tinguis por, estic aquí amb tu. D'acord? I en aquesta, in this one, suggestions, en aquesta suggerències, so serà let's or let's not. D'acord? It's hot, let's open the window. Fa calor, hem d'obrir la finestra, obrim la finestra. Come on, it's late, let's go. Vinga, és tard, hem de partir, anem-nos-en, d'acord? Venga, es tarde, vámonos. It's 11 p.m., let's turn off the TV and go to bed. Son las 11 de la noche, apaguemos la tele y vayamos a la cama. Apagamos la televisió i anem a dormir. This exercise is difficult, let's do it together. Aquest exercici és difícil, fem-lo junts, hagámoslo juntos. Let's not take a taxi, they're very expensive, the bus is fine. No agafem un taxi, són massa cars, són molt cars, el bus va bé. No cojamos un taxi, son muy caros, el bus va bien. There's a service station, let's stop and have coffee. Hi ha una estació de servei, una estació de servicio. Paremos, aturem-nos i prenem-nos un cafè. Tomémonos un cafè. It's very cold, let's not go to the cinema, let's watch a DVD at home. Fa molt de fred, no anem al cine, mirem una pel·li a casa. No vayamos al cine, miremos una pel·li en casa. D'acord? I vam fer també aquestes, que són ordres igual. Per exemple, aquestes, turn left. Aquestes, don't smoke. This one, està prohibit, no? Està prohibido. Don't eat or drink here. Don't eat or drink here. Number 4, prohibido, yeah? Forbidden. So, turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. Turn off your phone. Prohibido. Don't take photos. Don't take photos. Aquestes no és don't turn off, perquè turn off és apagar, yeah? Apagar. So, if it was turn on, it would be don't turn on. But because it's apagar, turn off your phone. Don't take photos. Number 6 is don't go in here. Don't go in here. Number 7 is cross the road now. Cruzar. Cruza la calle ahora. Number 8 is be careful. Be careful. And number 9 is don't listen to music here. Don't listen to music. Okay, what else did we do? Yes, we did this, okay. And then on your books is page 36 and 37. So you have exercises, the same things we did. So adjectives, feelings, angry, thirsty, happy, cold, sad, stressed, bored, hot, hungry, tired, worried, frightened. So number 1, he's stressed, he has a baby, he's cleaning, he's talking on the phone, he has a baby bottle here, so he's stressed. Number 2, she is like probably running, she's listening to music, she's drinking water, she's thirsty. They're sad, they're sitting here, they're crying, they're sad. He's angry, look at his face, he's angry. They're happy, they're celebrating, they're cheering, they're happy. And she's cold, she's wearing a jumper, she's wearing a scarf. And this one, complete the sentence with the adjectives 7, bored, hot, hungry, tired, worried, and frightened, yeah? So my mother's in hospital, I'm worried. Mi madre está en el hospital, estamos preocupados. Let's go home, it's very late, I'm tired. Vayámonos a casa, es muy tarde y estoy cansado. That's a very big dog, I'm frightened. Es un perro muy grande, tengo miedo, yeah? I'm scared, I'm frightened. It's 40 degrees, he's hot. De 40 grados, tiene calor. The class is very long, they are bored. La clase es muy larga, están cansadas, están aburridas. And it's time for lunch, she's hungry. Es hora de comer, tiene hambre, she's hungry. Yeah? Estem preocupats, estic cansada, estic assustada, tinc por, té calor, estan avorrides i té gana. Okay, this one. Let's stop here. Suggestions. Let's go home. They don't like the concert, so let's go home. Let's stop here. There's a parking spot. Stop here. Let's sit here. It's free. Let's sit. Let's not eat. The bistro looks bad. Let's not eat here. Let's go here. Let's open the window. They're hot. They're hot. Okay, here. Positive or negative imperatives. Answer the questions. Positive. Stop talking. Positive. Don't do the exercise B. Negative. Turn off your mobile. Positive. Don't read the text. Negative. And don't cross the road. Negative. Again, here. Either suggestions or imperative. Suggestions, let's watch. Imperatives, open. Yeah? So I'm hungry. Let's go to the restaurant. Suggestion. I'm cold. Imperative. Close the door. I'm stressed. Suggestion. Let's go on holiday. I'm thirsty. Imperative. Have a drink. I'm tired. Suggestion. Let's go home. Okay, that was it. And we also did this. This is a game called Either, so you have to choose one. Yeah, it's just a game. You don't have to do it at home. So there's just questions and you have to choose one. So for example, this one says, preferiries, yeah, would you rather, preferiries només menjar xinès o només menjar mexicà? Yeah? Aquesta, per exemple, què preferiries? Només poder teletransportar-te a llocs on ja has estat o només poder teletransportar-te a llocs on no has estat mai? Solo poder teletransportarte a sitios donde ya has estado o donde nunca has estado. Yeah? So which one would you rather? ¿Cuál preferirías? And we talked about this, yeah? But this is like doing it in class speaking. So that's it. See you on Monday. Yeah? Bye. Have a nice weekend.